doing. I'm getting ready to do my first YouTube do-it-yourself project, and I hope I'm successful. I hope that what I'm going to do works. But what the issue is, I bought this faucet quite a while back, and it's one of those that you can pull it out and use it for a spray. Let me turn this on. And about a month ago I had to clean this thing out. You can see I hardly have any water pressure coming out of this thing. And there's a button on top. You're supposed to be able to spray that, or push that button and get a spray, but I'm not getting any kind of spray. Now, I think a lot of this has to do with years ago they started restricting water flows, and I have no objection to that. Conserving water's a decent goal to try to achieve, but I at least want to be able to use the spray on this thing. Now, it hasn't been long ago when I was living in a house that my bathroom sink, and it was an older house built like 1956 or something like that. But anyway, the faucet in the bathroom sink started to leak, and I went and bought a new faucet for it and hooked it up, and I could barely get enough water out of that thing to brush my teeth. So I put up with it for a long time, but this thing here, when I cleaned it last time, which wasn't like a month ago, I think I said that, I noticed that there was a real choke thing in the bottom of the hose that comes out here, and I don't know if it's going to work or not. I might be back down at the RV store buying another faucet here pretty soon, but I'm just going to take my drill and try to drill that thing out, because I'm not going to get down there crawling around on my belly once every month trying to clean out this restricted flow faucet. So let me take that thing out, and I'll see you when I get back. Okay, I got that thing off of there, and I want to see if I can drill a hole down through here and out of this little plastic stuff. And I want to do something that I normally don't do, because I'm like a bull in a china closet, china store. I want to be real careful with this. It's really hard to see down in there, but I can see that I'm getting into that plastic. Yeah, I'm going to put a better drill bit in here. Back in just a second. Okay, I put a larger drill bit. And boy, I got that good. Okay, that's pulling that junk out of there. I'm not going to worry about this right now. I'll get that off that bit in a minute. What I want to do right now is hook this thing back up, and I'm going to bet I have some water flow. And if I don't, I guess I'll be off to the store buying a new faucet. So give me just a second, we'll see what happens. Okay, I've hooked this bad boy back up. Now let's see if we have decent water pressure in here now, or if I'm going to have a geyser flowing somewhere. Whoa, now that looks a lot better. See if I have some spray. Yes, sir. Alright, now that's the way that thing's supposed to work. Turn it on. Stays by itself with a spray. Hit the turn it off, it goes back to a stream. Now let me look down under the bottom and see if I've flooded everything. Okay, I'm calling this a success. If the greenies and plumbers of the world want to give me a hard time, all I can say is come on with it, because now I can wash the soap off my dishes, and I can brush my teeth, and I can do whatever else I need to do with a sink faucet working the way it's supposed to work. So there's a DIY from Solo Roman. Thank you for joining me.